Hello there, my lovelies. We are going to be making shrimp Alfredo today. We'll start easy by using like a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and a 1/2 stick of butter. And we're going to melt that. I took a whole head of garlic, just chopped it in half. Look, it looks like a flower. And then I'm just going to have that and just saute that slowly with the melting butter and the olive oil. Hear that sizzle? We're making enough for 4 people, so we're at a 12-inch pan and we're doing it on medium-low at the moment because this is getting a little bit, the butter's getting a little too browned. So we're going to drop the heat. Okay, I've washed the shrimp and patted it dry and let it air dry actually for about 15 minutes. I like my shrimp to taste really fresh, and even if they're frozen, it's an easy way to do it is just rinse them in cold water, pat them dry, and let them air dry. That way you're not steaming the shrimp, you're actually searing it, is what we want to do. And the garlic, which looks beautiful, you can just sprinkle on top. We just sauteed that in the oil with butter mixture for about 20 minutes on a medium to low heat. We're going to let these cook about 1.5 to 2 minutes each side. You'll know when the shrimp is done, when it's fully pink and when it curls a little bit. Okay, and just to make it a little festive, I had an extra red pepper in the fridge that was just getting a little ripe, and I thought I'll just dice that up quick and just add a little bit of that in there for color. You can always add a little fresh veg to anything to just brighten it up a bit. And we've already turned over the shrimp, and they already are starting to curl more, if you see, and they're starting to turn more pink, and they curl up a little bit and contract. So this will be done in just 1 minute. But what I'm going to do is just add 1 heavy cup of cream. Now this is enough for 4 people. And this is a shout out to you, Justin and Monica, because this dinner is being cooked for you two and us two as well. Okay, now we have some good little bubbling going on. I'm going to actually turn off the heat. We don't want that cream to start boiling, so we don't want it to overcook. The shrimp is already done. You can look at it, see it's all pink and it's got a nice curl to it. That's awesome. And I just added a good pinch of salt and a good couple pinches of freshly ground black pepper. I just had regular little angel hair pasta today, but you know what? That's okay. We're just going to use that instead. I cooked it al dente. We're just going to add this. Lower the heat, put in a little pasta water for a little thickening agent. And I'll give you a picture of the finished product at the end. Okay, we've just let this sit for a little bit. And just to make it a little more festive and bright, let's add just a little bit of freshly cut chives or green onions. And there you go.